dodging glances on the train. But I know they've all been talking about me. I can hear them whisper, and it makes me think there must be something wrong with me. Out of all the hours thinking, somehow have I lost my mind? And I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you can't tell, but stay a while, maybe you'll see a different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little